Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. Actually guys, this is a re-vlogging, no? We have already the video and vlog on this property. Now, since we have a prospective buyer that visited in this property, so we are going to re-vlog again. So the price is 8 million pesos and the size of the property is 12,600 square meters or 1.2 hectares. So, located in Barangay Ipil, Carmen, Cebu, approximately 3 kilometers away from National Highway. And it has 100 coconut trees, 100 mango trees, and other fruit trees. It has a house, a piggery pin, and coconut dryer, and also there is also a they have drilled, no, for their water consumption. Then they have a water pump, then also an overhead tank. So that is the situation. So the property is slightly uphill. Then there's also a flat on the other side. So like rolling a little bit when you came from the road, from the barangay road, it's a little bit uphill. So maganda ito sa mga manukan, yung mga pang sabong. So maganda to guys. Then you can make also here like poultry, piggery. Pwede ka dito. Kasi nandyan siya sa a little bit interior, like around mga 50 meters away from the concrete road, but it is also along the road, no? It's along the barangay road but not yet concrete. So yan po ang sitwasyon guys ng property natin na binibenta. Maganda to kasi you know, it's Carmen is just around less than an hour from Cebu City if no traffic. For example, from Cebu City is Mandawi, Consolacion, Liloan, then Compostela, Danao, then Carmen. So all are having its perimeter fence. May mga perimeter fence na. So maganda, may gate na. Ito po yung barangay road. So hindi pala masyado, parang road right of way yan, pero according to them it's already a road or barangay road, not yet totally developed. Pero nag-develop na, inaayos na. So maganda na talaga yan. So as for me, this is a good investment, no? Ideal for if you want to have into farming. So maganda to guys, super ganda. So meaning you can do many things in the area, in the location. So maganda ang location natin. So actually Carmen is one of the best town, no? It's progressive town in northern Cebu. Then few minutes drive from the beaches, no? Mga maliligo ka ng dagat, malapit lang yan, no? Marami naman doon sa Katmon, Carmen, because it's a coastal town guys. So ito na po yung barangay road, no? Ng concrete road. From here to into the site, to the lot is around 50 meters lang talaga. So ito na po yung daanan papuntang highway. All are concrete road. Concrete road na talaga lahat guys, no? There's no problem, no? All are concrete road na. So meaning mas maganda to kasi potential talaga yung property na binibenta natin. So yung mahilig sa mga farming, ito one of the best. Pwede ka mag poultry, piggery, o marami pa. So daan ka lang dito, super dami ng mga kuan guys. So maganda diyan guys, super, no? Ito po yung daanan. Makapasok man yung mga sasakyan natin doon, yan. So that's the road right of way to the sites around 50 meters. So see, madali lang, no? So again, it's located in Barangay Ipil, Carmen, Cebu, a northern part of Cebu province, less than an hour from Cebu City. Then the property is not a flooded area. Hindi siya mag-flooding, walang flooding kasi naka-elevated na siya. So maganda at may creek to the corner, to the boundary. So malayo baha diyan kasi naka-elevation yung property natin. So for inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Then if you have properties, no, kung may mga property kayo na binibenta, just contact me guys, because I will help you sell your property through our YouTube channel. Marami namang tumitingin sa YouTube natin. So baka yan ay magustuhan sa mga buyers. So try nyo lang. Yung schedule lang natin kasi dalawa yung location na Bohol and Cebu yung pinupuntahan natin. Pwede tayo sa Bohol at Cebu. Pero yung ibang mga yung ibang mga lugar sa Pilipinas, kung gusto niyo talaga, i-ano na lang, video na lang yung property ninyo at i-send sa akin at mag-send kayo ng copy ng titulo. Baka unos yun, no, mapilian, magustuhan ng mga buyers, ng mga viewers natin. So ito po yung daanan patungong highway guys, no. Again, thank you and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye.